Okay, folks, we're out for our walk today. Gerry's here. Pom Pom and Shoo Shoo are out and about too. Pom Pom loves her little stuffy. Guess she's coming on the walk with us. Walking over to see the goose nest. There she is over on the other side. Right over there. Down there, Pommy. What's down there? There's Daddy Goose. Shoo Shoo, come. Come on, girl. That a girl. Come on. It's a sunny day, but it's a brisk 30 degrees outside. Whew. Freezing. It's cold, folks. Where they at, Chewy? Where they at? Get them! Oh, yeah. Come on, guys, this way. Head up to see the goose. Off to see the goose. Woo! There's Mr. Goose. There's the dog. On their morning run. Doggies. Let's go see Goose. Are you ready, Gerry? I'm ready. You ready? I'm ready. Okay, here we go. We're headed up to the goose. She's slinking down. She says, "You guys again?" Yes, it's us again, huh, Gerry? Hi, Miss Goose. How are you today? Miss Goose Goose. And Mr. Goose. Yep. Hi, Miss Goose Goose. How you doing? You can see how close she is to the water. Yeah, almost too close for me, huh? She's doing fine. Day 15, folks. It was said 30 days. Somebody looked it up yesterday. So in the next couple weeks, keep tuning in. We'll have goslings if we make it that far. Anyways, it's a beautiful sunny day. Go out and explore something with the dogs, with the geese. Okay, everybody. That's it for the goose today. Thanks for showing up. We'll see if we can make her hiss at me at least. Oh, that's how close we can get. Hi. See you next time, Miss Goose. Love you. Be kind. Let's see. Where's the doggies? Pom pom, shoo shoo. Oh, right there. Right under my feet. See, you look around for them and there they are. Right there.